Welcome to Mum Core channel with easy recipes and big flavors. I'm excited to walk you through my muffin tin meatloaf recipe. Here are the ingredients: barbecue sauce, tomato ketchup, ground beef, sweet relish, garlic powder, garlic salt, lemon pepper, Italian seasoning, egg, chopped onion and garlic. In a large mixing bowl, place 2 pounds of ground beef. Then add 1 tablespoon of minced garlic and a half cup of diced onions. Mix well. Add 1 tablespoon of garlic salt. Then 1 teaspoon of lemon pepper. One teaspoon of garlic powder. And 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning. Crack 1 egg. Mix thoroughly. Then add 1 cup of grated Parmesan cheese. Mix. Add a 1/4 cup of flour. Mix until all ingredients are well incorporated. Add 2 tablespoons of ketchup. Then mix. Add 2 tablespoons of sweet relish to the mixture. Combine the ingredients again. You may add additional salt or soy sauce if desired. Prepare a muffin tin. Scoop the meat mixture into a muffin tin. In a small bowl, combine 2 tablespoons of barbecue sauce and 2 tablespoons of ketchup. Mix. Spoon a small amount of the sauce over each mini meatloaf. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the muffin tin in the oven and bake for 30 to 35 minutes. Allow the meatloaves to rest for at least 5 minutes before serving. Enjoy your delicious muffin tin meatloaf. Hit that like button. Subscribe and turn on notifications. Don't forget to leave a comment below. Follow me on all my social media platforms. Thanks for watching.